Hey everyone, we're the Adventure Together team. We are an independent tabletop technology and publishing company. We are so happy that you're here with us at the start of this journey.
For the past 5 years, we've been putting together a team of passionate individuals who have been crafting a new experience for the board game community.
We're thrilled to be able to share our open source tabletop gaming system with you and are excited to see how it will impact players all around the world.
Thank you so much for joining us, and welcome to the adventure.
Welcome to Source, the ultimate buildable, modular, scalable tabletop gaming system, and its first thrilling game, TIMESTRIKE. Source empowers you to discover, create, and explore your very own gaming worlds. With its modular components, you can construct diverse terrains, from sprawling forests to treacherous mountains, and everything in between. Build the perfect setting for your next adventure. Whether role-playing, wargaming, or strategy, Source provides a platform for any genre. Source offers a variety of customization and expansion options with new features, new experiences, and new biomes for you to discover. Now, journey through time itself with TIMESTRIKE, a first-of-its-kind Boss Battle Royale and the first of many games designed to be played on Source. Draft a team of legendary characters from ancient civilizations and distant futures to journey across time. Scavenge for lost artifacts, mine for materials, fish for your next meal. Complete quests to awaken your character. Build walls and roads to gain tactical advantages. Fight and tame mythical monsters to unlock powerful character combinations. And adapt to an ever-changing world. All while battling the other players to be the last team standing. At the center of it all, a malignant world boss and master manipulator of time seeks to erase you from time itself. Compete to control the boss, driven by a deck of unique abilities, and wield its massively destructive power to dominate the battlefield and lay waste to your enemies. Defeated players become one with the world and take control of the boss and monsters to exact their revenge on the survivors. Either one player wins, or the boss defeats you all. Pledge your support today and experience the difference a community-driven publisher can make, putting players at the heart of everything we do. Come adventure together with us and unlock a world of endless gaming possibilities with Source and TIMESTRIKE.